Well, I thought I'd just make a little video here. One of my viewers sent me a little package I'm going to show you here in a second. And another thing, I got this 6 CD changer from my dad's house. My brother had taken the stereo system and the surround sound system for the TV because the CD changer for this one here didn't work. And I took it apart and fooled with it and couldn't get it working. And then here about a month ago, this CD player stopped working. So these Bose Wave radios are amazing radios. They sound awesome. But their CD drives are just garbage. I mean, yeah, that one stopped working. That one didn't work when I bought it. This one did work. I bought this in a estate sale. And, but anyway, I got this. There should be another, I have one cartridge. There should be another cartridge around. I don't know if it's sold in the estate sale but my brother got all the stuff out of the house before the sale. So somewhere around I do have another cartridge for it. And, but yeah, now I can play my CDs in here. I hooked it to the auxiliary input. The radio has an auxiliary, see right there, auxiliary button. You push that and it plays this and it sounds fantastic. I showed it on my Instagram, and my brother and I have been going through more of my dad's slides. So I've been posting more photos on Instagram that I think a lot of you would probably enjoy if you want to have a look at them. But anyway, on to what this video is about. So one of my subscribers, Rick Nitz he's from Illinois, and he sent me this. So we'll get this opened up. It's one of those, I'll show you as soon as we get it out of the box. There it is playing. I muted it out because I don't want a copyright, but yeah, it's all working. So this is what Rick sent me. We're going to open the box up and maybe play with it. I don't have anything with dents in it right now. The truck doesn't have any dents, and neither does the Galaxy, and hopefully neither one of them get any dents, but I got plenty of sheet metal and stuff we can. This is kind of too heavy duty, but somewhere around here, yeah, I got some sheet metal. We'll put a dent in it and practice playing with it. Here we go. Even came with the instruction manual, and I think I'm gonna take a quick read through the book because that's what I do. I like reading the instructions on things. I don't know why I find it relaxing, but I do. So I'm going to read the directions and then we'll play with it a little bit. Now, I don't know if I stated this or not. Rick bought it to repair some dents on a car he had, and after he repaired it, he figured he'd never use it again. So he contacted me and asked if I would like it. I was like, absolutely, sure. So again, thank you, Rick. And let's play with it a little bit. So I'm just going to try this in one little spot. I'm only going to do one weld. And there, we put a decent sized dent and just, you know, just see what it does, just for the heck of it. States to put this in here, and then this will push in to where this will ground, and this will weld when you hold it against that and push this button right here, and then it's got a circuit breaker right there. So let me set this on the floor and we will weld the stud on it and then see if we can pull that out a bit. I'm just going to push it down, then it says to hold the button on for 1/2 to 1 second. So let's do it. That welded on pretty quick and easy. And then we'll take the little hammer thing here. Let's see, I think I got it. There we go. And I'll stand on the sheet metal somewhat. Looks like it's definitely pulling it out. Probably pulled it out too much. Yeah, it's definitely took every bit of the dent out that I hammered into it. and then some. Yeah, totally works, and it states to cut the wire off and grind the thing off, but I've seen people do cuts right down to the, it's like right at the sheet metal. Yeah, there we go. And then you just give that a little grind. So this thing works pretty darn good. I'm impressed with it. Thank you again, Rick. This is awesome. If you want to check some of my Instagram out, I leave a link in the description. I've been putting up vintage slide photos. My brother and I have been going through my folks' photos and slides and whatnot. So every couple weeks, if we get a really cold day to where he's a couple miles down a dirt road, so when it's really cold and everything's really frozen, I go out there so I don't get my vehicles, you know, muddy or dirty. And we go through the slides, and yesterday was one of those days. I took the pickup to give it a little run. It hasn't been out in a long time. And on the way home, I just stopped the car wash and kind of rinsed it off because it was dusty. So it's all nice and clean again. But anyway, that's kind of going to be it. Again, check out my Instagram, link in the description. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button. And if you want to share it, share it. Again, Rick, thank you very much. And if you like my channel, please subscribe by hitting that 348 engine icon that pops up there. And thank you for watching my videos.